In this in-class exercise, we're going to look at PBR Textures. They have the capabilities. It's called physically based rendering. It has the ability to add shadow detail to the actual textures. Or for instance, if I zoom in here on the brick, you'll notice we get a lot of nice feeling of realism with the surfaces. And as we change the lighting in the cracks and crevices changes also. So the idea here with this whole exercise is to get you familiar and comfortable with the idea of grabbing your own textures to solve your own specific issues you want with your projects, studio-based projects. So once again, the wiki page kind of talks about this physically based rendering, really developed through the gaming industry and the idea of creating more photorealistic type materiality. And there's a wonderful reference here, and I'll try to link it right in on this posting. Revit back in 2019, I believe it is. Let's see if there's a time here. Yeah, Las Vegas 2019 had a speaker come and talk about these materials for Revit. So it's about a 30-minute presentation. I could just show you the slides really quickly. He talks about, the way surfaces play of light with the surfaces. This is well worth your own involvement. Talks about what these terms, where we're going to be using these when we start to load these special characteristics in to create our own Pbr textures, and how to do that. We'll go through this whole process. And ultimately, the goal is to create more realistic looking types of surfaces. And, he goes through in the video and shows some kind of comparisons with these. And so, like I said, this is well worth spending a few minutes and going through the 38 minutes if you really want to get a handle on creating really compelling rendering textures inside of Revit. So with that said, we're going to then look at external resources like textures.com here. Let me just close off. I'm in a little bit of a source where we can grab some of these textures to add to our documents. So we'll get started with brick, and then we'll take a look at facade for this assignment.